Welcome back. In the previous lessons, we've built out the home page, we've built out the about page, and next let's work on the services page. So we can do the same thing that we did earlier for the other two pages. We can go into our project here. We can open up template and save template. So just simply save template as services.html. And now we're ready to go to build out our project. And then of course we can make our updates here. So this can say services and look at what we have to offer. And then down here, so maybe some more page information. So services again, and what we can do for you. And then go back into the page, refresh. So there we go. So services is all ready to go. So just like we did for home, just like we did for about, let's create a brand new sketch diagram here and plan out what we want our services page to look like. So for the services, typically maybe we want to highlight some projects. We can accomplish the services by highlighting some of our projects. So let's go back into our design here and let's set this up. And in this section, we're going to use cards, so bootstrap cards, because these are ideal. So if, for instance, I want to have a preset type format here where maybe I've got an image and then I've got some information about that image, so that project. And it's all wrapped within one main container. So this would be the main container, the card. So maybe this one has a border around it. So I'm not sure how we add in, there we can add in a border. So let's grab these two, put them on top. So we're going to basically format it like that and then take this whole thing and duplicate it so that we can have multiple different projects. And duplicate them again. So maybe we're going to highlight 6 different services that we have to offer. So I got to grab all of this again and duplicate it. So that looks pretty good. So we'll have something like this for our services page. We're going to present it within a card format in Bootstrap and present out maybe 6 different types of services that we offer for our company. So I'm going to just rename this as well to be in line with services. And next lesson, we're going to open up our editor and we're going to build this out using Bootstrap. So that's coming up.